Hi and welcome to Techable. This is a very quick unboxing of the Samsung 970 EVO PLUS 1TB version. This is a superbly fast NVMe drive with some great specs, which we'll go over in a sec. But I thought I'd pick up the 1TB version simply because the 2TB version isn't out yet, which I was a bit, first world problems, but I wanted the 2TB, but I couldn't, so I got the 1TB version, which probably is what most of you will be picking up anyway, because it's good value for money for a great drive. But anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to get this unboxed and see what's in the box, and then we're going to go over some specs. So let's unbox this now. I picked up this from a store near me called scan.co.uk, which I've been going to for 17, 18 years now. It's a shop just down the road. You can order it online. I'll leave a link in the description and on the screen for this. So let's get in there. Not expecting it to be a very long unboxing because it's, like I say, it's only an NVMe drive. And there we have it. Just that in the box, nothing else in the box. I can go over there and we shall take a look inside the box. So as you can see, this is the NVMe drive. Under it is going to be the manuals. So we'll get out the manuals first. Get that out of the way. And as you can see, not a lot to it, is there's the Samsung solid state drive installation and warranty statement. Woohoo! So let's chuck that away. And here we have the 1TB 970 EVO PLUS NVMe M.2 drive, which is, as you would expect, small and compact. So yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing. Not very exciting, but a superbly fast NVMe drive, which you must agree on. So let's go over some specs. So like I say, it's the 1TB version. It's the 970 EVO PLUS. It's got a maximum read speed of 3.5 GB per second and a maximum write speed of 3.3 GB per second, which is insanely fast. It's got 1 GB of DRAM cache, of low power DDR4, maximum read 4K is 600,000 IOPS, and maximum write 4K is 550,000 IOPS. It supports all you would expect, but what really stands out about this is the maximum endurance rating of 600 terabytes written. And that goes into basically 1.5 million hours of use, which is a very long time, and it's got great warranty support. So if anything fails within those specs, and it's I think it's a 5-year warranty, then you can get in touch with Samsung. They'll do some tests, and you can hopefully get a replacement. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to install this somewhere and probably do lots of benchmarks, compare it to my Western Digital black 1TB drive and also my Samsung 960 Pro 2TB drive and probably the 1TB 960 EVO NVMe drive. So there's lots of specs coming, there's lots of reviews, probably do a bit of an install guide as well. So please like and subscribe, stay tuned for that, and that's about it. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.